Welcome to the Merced Union High School District's website. I'll be showing you how to access the EMCPPFA board agendas. If you look towards your right-hand side, you're going to see 5 different options: Translate, MUHSD board agendas, Search, Aries, and Login. You'll be clicking on the option MUHSD board agendas right here. Click down, and this will now open to a new web page. As the Board Docs web page opens, you'll be looking towards your right-hand side. On your right-hand side, there's an option of MUHSD Board of Trustees, and there's a little arrow right here. Click on the little arrow, and as you'll see, you'll be given 3 different options. Please click on EMCPPFA. As you click on this option, you'll be able to see the special board meeting agendas for EMCPPFA. Thank you for watching this video, and I hope this was helpful.